Welcome student. Today we are going to see about Maxwell distribution law of molecular velocities. That is the effect of temperature on distribution of molecular velocities. In order to study this Maxwell's distribution law, consider a gas system. Suppose in a vessel small n number of gaseous molecules are enclosed, and these gaseous molecules obeys the postulates of kinetic theory. Means when these molecules collides on each other, their collisions are perfectly elastic, or they may collides on the wall of container. This collision also there is no loss of kinetic energy. Means the molecules collides on each other, due to which their velocity get changed, and on the basis of this we have to see the Maxwell's Boltzmann distribution law of molecular velocities. Now the probability distribution is explained by Maxwell and Boltzmann, and the equation which gives the distribution of velocities among the molecules is dN upon n is equals to 4 pi into m upon twice pi RT raised to 3 by 2 into e raised to power minus mc square upon twice RT into c square into dc, where n is the number of gaseous molecules, m is the molecular weight of that gas, remaining terms are gas constant, T absolute temperature, 4 pi constant, 2 pi constant. This is nothing but the distribution of molecular velocities in terms of equation. Now in order to rearrange this, if this dc comes to this left hand side, it will be at the denominator. Remaining equation remains as it is, equation 2. This factor 1 upon dc into dN upon n, this is called as a probability. This is a probability of finding the particles with velocity c, and this fraction dN upon n, what is this? This is the fraction of total number of molecules having velocity between c to c plus dc. दोनों के बीच में का डिफरेंस समझ में आया? This dN upon n, this equation, in this equation dN upon n is the fraction of total number of molecules having velocities between c to c plus dc, and this 1 upon dc into dN upon n is the probability of finding the particles having velocity c. This is the probability. This term indicates the probability. Now in order to study the distribution of molecular velocities, if we plot a graph of probability versus velocity on x-axis, if we plot a graph, then it will be observed that the curve is obtained in this way. Now from this curve it is clear that very few molecules have very low velocity because it is velocity axis, and very few molecules have very high velocity. Okay, but where the probability is more, here, and corresponding value of this is velocity, and that velocity is called as most probable velocity. Which velocity? Most probable velocity. Means if we plot a graph of probability versus velocity, then the curve is obtained, and this peak indicates the velocity. Which velocity? Most probable velocity. That is velocity possessed by maximum probability, that is most number of molecules, and minimum number of molecules have very low velocity and very high velocity. Now, in order to study the effect of temperature on this distribution of molecular velocity, consider initially temperature is T1 and plot of probability versus velocity is plotted, then it will be in this way at temperature T1. Now, if the temperature is increased, it will be T2 and T2 will be greater than T1. Then if we plot a graph of probability versus velocity, then this graph will be obtained in this way. This graph or this curve is obtained at temperature T2. Okay, this is obtained at temperature T1. Now, from these two curve, it is clear that as the temperature increases, the value of most probable velocity goes on increase. At temperature T1 it will be here, most probable velocity, but here there is increase axis. That's why here the most probability, here the value of most probable velocity goes on increase as the temperature increases. Till again further, if the temperature is T3 and T3 is greater than T2, and if again graph is plotted, then the graph obtained will be in this way. Again the same type of curve will be obtained, but the temperature is different one. Temperature is T3. Again from this curve, what happens? As the temperature increases, the value of most probable velocity goes on increase, but the fraction of molecules having the most probable velocity goes on decrease. Means the effect of temperature on the distribution of molecular velocity is that if we plot a graph of probability versus velocity, then as the temperature increases, the value of most probable velocity goes on decrease. At the same time, the fraction of molecules having the most probable velocity, that fraction goes on decrease. Okay, and what is this? This is nothing but the fraction of molecules having very low velocity. This is nothing but the fraction of molecules having very high velocity, but this fraction is very low as compared to this. Due to increase in the temperature, again this is nothing but a fraction of low velocity, fraction of molecules having low velocity. This is nothing but a fraction of molecules high velocity, but this fraction is low. Means there is effect of temperature on the distribution of molecular velocity. And what is that effect? As the temperature increases, the value of most probable velocity also increases, but the fraction of molecules goes on decrease. This is Maxwell's Boltzmann's distribution law of molecular velocity.